Hello everybody, I want to talk today with you about how we can create digital twin, what we needed. You can see here what we have here. This is drone, DJI Mavic Cine. We have here Matterport scanner Pro 3, and we have here Artec Eva scanner. Plus we have the laptop and inside of the Cesium website. It's all what we are needed for starting creating the digital twin. First, we needed to capture with drone the territory. For this, we are preparing the KML file from Google Earth, and after this, we are starting to make the planning for capture with drone, and next step, we are capture territory, and after this, we have huge amount of the data of the picture. Next step, we will prepare the 3D model of the territory. Second step, we are capture with Matterport Pro 3, and after the capture the territory, we have the virtual tour, and also we can export of this data to OBJ file or another 3D model. And we're having the 3D model. If we have some territory, some exponent from museum object small, we can use the Artec Eva scanner here. Where all it's captured, we have the 3D data, and next step. Next step, we are open the website of the cesium.com. This is open source, it's platform for preparing the digital twin. This is free of charge, but you need it to programming, and this is it. You cannot using just this platform. You are needed to prepare for yourself. Here it's use cases. We have here platform, industries, and here you can see the digital twins, drones, and this is all underground and undersea. We can talk about this in our next video. We are just click on for the digital twin, and you are seeing here success stories. This is Sydney. I'm thinking this is captured from airborne sensor. You have good quality of the geospatial data, and also you are seeing some information here. This is information you are importing from your computer or your server, and you are see for now about what he is having here. Planners, infrastructure owners, developers, policymakers, residents. This is information about the city. You can put any kind of the information. Conclusion. What we needed to have for start the digital twin. Minimum we needed to have to drone. Here you are see this is DJI drone. We needed to some scanners. For example, this is possible for Leica also or Faro, but we are using the Matterport. And this is, I'm like it the Matterport, the case of we can prepare also its virtual tour. And we can also use it, the Artec Eva scanner for some of the small objects. And we needed to have computer and good developers who can helping to programming. But of course, we are needed to also people who can make the 3D modeling, and we need to have server, but this is for starting. This is our future. Digital twin will help to economy, to the small business, to government. Thank you so much for listening to me.